Yes. Hi, everyone. Welcome to our 16th session on the CNMCyber customer support development meetings. Today we have not really a guest, but a participant that used to be with us and has decided to come back. Welcome, Evans. We also have Gary and Rahim with us today. And as as far as it goes, the discussions which we want to focus on today, on the space I shared technology. We need to maybe just talk a little bit about the challenge we experienced this week on with Jitsi and how to handle it in future. Obviously, this is a future project, not part of the backlog that we are currently focusing on. And then we'll go ahead and talk about our current backlog, the state of the good enough products, challenges we are currently facing, reviewing and approving the current tasks in backlog, and also the contract which we had started we mentioned this discussion last on Tuesday and on Monday about the contract, and also we concluded that this contract should spearhead developments, operations, and also run SOPs. Yeah, so this is the basis of our discussions today. Evans, I hope you catch up with how far we've come, and also uh, what is ahead of us. You're welcome to review the videos that we have on the space on YouTube. We have this is our 16th session, so we have like 15 more videos that you need to get to watch or to get up to speed. Yes, so yeah, Gary, I see like you have something to share in regards to what I've just mentioned.
Yeah, first of all, kind of when you mentioned Jitsi is like only one piece.
Correct.
What if like CNMCyber will not be operational or anything else?
Yes.
Any technology which is related to our customer service. So
Hmm.
like technology is a part of our customer service, right?
Correct. Correct.
Obviously,
Obviously.
because we use technology to deliver customer service.
Hmm.
So that is why, in my view,
Yeah.
they must be a part of our backlog. And
Correct.
I have like three sets,
Hmm.
of kind of points.
Hmm.
Two of them I posted on our stream, right? Like as a comments, one for your posting. First of all, can we define? Let's start with the agenda. On the agenda, on the agenda,
Hmm.
we need to decide what kind of. Yeah, you mentioned this customer support operations. I don't like the name customer support operations. Customer support development operations. Probably
Yeah.
I like it.
Hmm.
And operational contracts. I feel so. I will go with anything. If you say this contract is ready
Hmm.
at this moment, I will go with anything.
Yes.
But if we don't have a real prototype,
Hmm.
so how would we expect kind of these operations running? So I would say we are very close to the prototype. But normally, if we see a development,
Hmm.
we develop something, then we test it, right?
Correct.
And testing normally assumes like some prototype, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Uh, so if we miss this testing part
Hmm.
and we are jumping to operations,
Hmm.
it's not correct. It should be testing. So like some prototype should
Hmm.
emerge, right? And
Yes.
we can say, okay, now like your job is to run it
Hmm.
and to improve it.
All right. So what
Um,
you're suggesting is we test
then
this contract and then we can run it.
I would say kind of as soon as we have operational, like right now we have our meetings prototype almost close, very close, right? Because your agenda, I would say, technology update is not kind of it's a part. It should be kind of some inside. So what it basically what we did, what we faced, and what we are going to do, right?
Yeah.
Um, so technology is what we kind of faced. So technology should be basically in like in all three buckets.
Mm-hmm.
What happened, what we plan to do, and what the challenges what challenges we try to resolve. Um, so if we kind of our meetings right now they are closer and closer to a prototype, but
Correct.
they still don't produce the backlog because I see it's no work on the backlog.
Mm-hmm.
And even my like request or him to update kind of the future product good to have
Mm-hmm.
to put what he proposed. He did many proposals, but right now these proposals are going to be wasted or re-innovated or whatever.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
They must be kind of somewhere in the future product. They are not documented. So
Mm-hmm.
as soon as we will get these kind of operations
Mm-hmm.
working on the backlog,
Mm-hmm.
then I will say kind of the prototype is achieved.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Back to our previous meetings.
Yes.
I said we had discussion and I asked like what the result should be, and you say oh structure or procedure, and I say backlog, and I feel like backlog is more important because both structure and procedures will be a part of this backlog, right?
Yeah.
So
They
backlog
all drive to the back.
covers them.
Yeah. Correct. I agree.
Yeah, the backlog kind of backlog covers kind of more. It's
Mm-hmm.
kind of more high. And with the technology, again, let's define what we are trying to achieve. What is our goal?
Mm-hmm.
Like at the end of this discussion, we need to have what? Can we like state what we kind of what we want to?
Yes. Yes.
And I agree with you. We welcome Evanson or Evans, you call whatever. And if you want to jump in, just jump in. And basically, in my view, kind of if you see Evanson, if you see the backlog, whatever their deliverables, it is assigned to a team. And if you want to take any of those, like we probably need all these developments, right? We
Correct.
need to move forward.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm
Yes.
done.
Okay. So in this, like, what you're saying is we should include in the agenda what we are trying to achieve with that particular meeting. So, like, each meeting should have like.
I would say no, no, no.
Mhm.
I'm talking about this like topic, specific topic for the technology, because you have good ideas.
Mhm, mhm.
And I ask like the same question in two different ways.
Okay.
One, what do you feel your next steps should be, right?
Mhm, mhm,
What kind of you stated good kind of you stated a good list of items.
mhm.
And I feel like you use some AI tool to
No, not,
develop those
no, to write
because
it,
they're,
to put it in together was
yeah,
AI, but the ideas were mine.
yeah. This is good. It's kind of
Yeah.
it's
Like
good.
the next
But
step.
what is the next?
Yeah, the next step is to put
What
them
is the
to the
next
back
step?
to
Right
add them to
now we have
like future products
something in the backlog, correct?
and
But
priorities. Yeah.
kind of so
Priority.
basically this is the answer. So we need to put like the backlog. But
Mhm.
as of now, let's take just like technology, right?
Yes.
What our can we repeat what our immediate kind of objective? and let's say long-term objective is to have them in the backlog, right?
Correct.
I agree. Kind of, we have many kind of different things
Yes.
which must be documented in the backlog. In
Correct.
the meantime, can we do something like very fast, very kind of very because we have this kind of problem, right? Issue.
Uh-huh.
We call it issue.
Yes.
That for two meetings, our PC were not available.
Yes.
Kind of. So if it happens next, and it will happen, it might happen. It happened twice. Why
Mhm.
wouldn't it happen like the third time? What can we do something like quick? You
Yes,
know.
yes. What we can do quick and documented this as well is to have like a meeting where we will discuss an alternative in case this is happening, this technology fails, and we do not have a solution for it yet. What are we going to do? Where are we going to meet, or what? Uh, which platform?
We we have a solution. Why we don't have a solution? You use kind of alternative. You found the solution. Solution was kind of your solution was to use Google Meet, right?
Yes.
That was solution.
Mhm. But it needs to be like documented, agreed upon.
So why you say
It needs to be like in the
correct? It
SOP.
is like it
Yeah.
should be. It shouldn't be like a last
Yes.
minute call.
Yes.
So I will
And also,
possibly I would suggest
uh-huh.
in your kind of event description,
Mhm.
if kind of the technology will not be kind of available, whatever,
Mhm.
we can like the link will be posted here or updated here, right?
Okay.
Something like that, or post the link or whatever.
Mhm. Okay. Okay. So I
So kind of the idea. So for instance, right now I cannot like right now I cannot join. I will go to WhatsApp, look for you, right?
yeah.
Okay, I have your WhatsApp, you have my WhatsApp. Okay, we are connected.
Mhm.
What about someone who is not on the WhatsApp, right? How to
Yes.
accommodate this person?
Yes.
This is what I think that you.
Yeah. This is also captured in the ideas that I shared, like the communication. How will we communicate to these people who probably they don't have my WhatsApp? So it also need to be like.
Okay, so let's go back to kind of the backlog.
Mhm.
I don't know how we move, and I
Mhm.
so right now like is it good enough or like my other challenges? We have like two challenges, but they are not formulated, right? Who will formulate these challenges? Who will work on these challenges? Because kind of eventually from these challenges, we need to have exact kind of like wording maybe or contents, right?
Mhm.
So process for selection of a challenge winners. It's a good idea, but kind of we need to word it, right?
Correct.
YouTube channel also it should be kind of some wording.
Mhm.
And for the team projects, I would assume that everything what you do, if you want to, if you are looking for funding from me,
Mhm.
I assume it should be. I will ask you kind of the same question. Say, okay, what number you are working? What's your project number?
Mhm. Yeah.
So basically, I assume that like if people want to work on this, they
Mhm.
will say, okay, I need like 5 hours for the contract, or I need like 5 hours to work on this with me,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah. Correct.
And kind of whatever to move this team project. backlog
Mm-hmm.
to make it like the meetings.
Yeah.
Okay, meetings. What the result will be? The meeting themselves, the prototype. Yeah, possibly we can say you can work you are working right now on this, right, Kevin?
So,
CNMCyber customer service meetups, right?
yeah.
So if you can you share the page right
Yes.
now?
Yes. Yes. Mm-hmm. Can you see my screen?
No,
Yeah, can you see my screen?
I see that you are sharing it, but I don't see kind of anything there.
Mm.
Rachel, oh, Evanson, did you see anything or no?
I can see. Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes. Can you see my
You
screen?
can. Yeah. Oh, you can.
Yes, I can see the screen, but it's not quite visible. I think I need glasses to like zoom in.
Mm.
It's not clear. Though I can see. I can see the content,
You
but not
see.
that clear. Yes.
Yeah, I don't see anything at all. Just like black screen and that's enough. So yes, so for instance, in team projects,
Mm-hmm.
will kind of number one, the point number one will be good enough so you can say, I work on this, right?
Yeah.
Customer service meetup
Mm-hmm.
to discuss good enough products,
Yeah.
overview the last week challenges,
Mm-hmm. I see.
we don't ballistic. The project
Yeah. I think your
will
network
say that it is what you're
is not
working on,
stable.
Kevin.
Yes. 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 Number one is what I'm working on.
Okay, I'll try to move. I will try to move.
Okay. Okay. So part of this meeting will approve, like people will share the projects they want to work on, and will approve together with the budget.
I will say so, since we don't have community board at this moment.
Hmm.
When we will have community board, we will move something to the community board. But
Okay.
for now,
We-
possibly we can do it here.
Okay.
Because eventually, I don't want you to kind of steal the bread from the future participants
Hmm.
and to create, let's say, like Rahim did, this like how we will select the winners. I
Hmm.
don't care. It doesn't matter how we'll select the winners. And why not to give them the chance to propose how they want to be selected?
Correct.
Maybe it's a good topic by itself.
Yeah. Yeah.
And for
Okay.
me,
Mhm.
it
Mhm.
doesn't matter. So let's say for me, kind of, I want to start the process, kind of this process,
Okay.
and to go kind of farther, farther, farther.
Okay.
If we kind of on this during these meetings,
Mm-hmm.
if we agree
Yes.
what each person who wants to work will work on, it
Mm-hmm.
will be a good result too.
Yes. Yes.
So because it will kind of work on the update of our backlog.
Yeah. And this and the team in this meeting will only focus on team projects. Is that correct?
Team projects and kind of, and let's say challenges
Mm-hmm.
is a result of team projects too. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Um, we need to move the challenges backwards. So like the team will work on the challenge organization, right? To
Yes.
organize the challenge.
Okay.
And and the challenges, it will be one of the deliverables
Mm-hmm.
from this work,
Yeah.
because we need to have like maybe at least like 1 week of challenges in advance, right?
Correct.
So basically, when we start advertising,
Mm-hmm.
start putting our like social media text,
Yeah.
we we need to have at least like two ready challenges posted
Mm-hmm.
on the YouTube or right, or wherever we decided. They already need to be available.
Mm-hmm.
So someone who is interested in
Yeah.
can go there
Mm-hmm.
and see what is available.
Okay.
Does it make sense or no?
Yes, it makes sense. And also, like this team is also responsible to review the work done and approve, right?
As of now, yes, we don't have anyone else.
Mm-hmm.
Whom else will kind of will approve, or like we
Review.
don't have any other tool. We don't have any other instrument. We
Correct.
have nothing to kind of to work on
Mm-hmm.
else.
Okay.
So I think so. Kind of whatever we need
Mm-hmm.
to
Okay.
whatever we need to work on improve.
Yeah. I'd like to hear
When
from.
we have again, when we, yeah, when we have a community board again, when we have a community board,
Yeah, we'll move
some of
on.
those parts will move there.
Correct. Correct.
So and then, but even at that time,
Mm-hmm.
this like the community board will just like kind of approve, right?
Mm-hmm.
But here we'll still like we will create some recommendations or like endorsements or something, right?
Yes.
So the board will already kind of be working on something
Mm-hmm.
which was developed here. So
Yes.
like a decision, they say, oh, we had the discussion there. You
Mm-hmm.
can go and review this discussion, and therefore we feel like this is the winner of the contract or whatever, right?
Yes. Okay. I'd like to hear from Rahim and Evanson what they think about the entire process that we've just discussed in this meeting. What do you guys understand? Do you think like this will work? What better ideas, if any, do you have?
Instead of putting people on the spot, because it's kind of can be hard, uh, and people will kind of right now you are pushing people who have no ideas just to state something kind of like for the
Okay.
record, I love to be a part, thank you, and kind of whatever. So why, if people want to kind of to say something,
Mm-hmm.
why wouldn't they say on their on our space in general, not now but generally?
Okay.
If someone, if person cannot have anything share on the space, like then This person will not be able to say it in the meeting.
In the meantime, yes, that's correct.
So I
Okay.
want kind of anyway. I want like to use space more,
Uh-huh.
and the backlog, and kind of regardless of what is going to happen in the next like 10, 15, 20 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, I'm listening. Someone tried to say something, right?
Hi, Gary.
Hey,
Hi, Rahim. It's been a while. I've been off the board for a while. A very busy
yeah,
schedule of work. Yeah, I've been busy, but now most of my duties have been eased up. So I think I'm ready to go. Yeah.
yeah. We need people. We need people. We need to work.
Yeah.
We need help. Like
Yes.
help is needed. Help is needed. Help is needed.
Mhm.
Help is wanted.
Yes. I was sorting some work issues, and I had shifted from my previous place, so it was a little bit of hassle on my side. So now I can balance things because everything is now settled. Yeah, and I'm good to go. Actually, I'm juiced up. I'm really juiced up. So expect more.
Just just go. I don't know. Whatever you see in the team projects, you need to define the objectives and just go, go, go.
All right.
Go, go,
Currently,
go.
I was going through the items that have been worked on for the past 1 month. I'm trying to get into the same level that you guys are at, and yeah, I think I'll need a couple of days, maybe tonight and tomorrow, so that I can be at par with you guys, because I'm really going through each and every item that has been proposed, and what has been worked on for the few weeks that have not been online. So I want to go through the videos also, so that at least I can have some input that works in line with what has been proposed.
Mhm.
Yeah, instead of just shooting and maybe coming up with an idea that has already been put into motion. So I want to go through everything so that I can have a clear vision of where we're headed, and what input needs to come from me.
Sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah. As far as and I kind of and he had kind of some vision, and we're discussing this together.
Yeah.
But if you're welcome to work with him, whatever you want to take. I I'm more like a volunteer and sponsor, financer, like role. And from my kind of take, I used to, I was willing to finance anything related to the project or development. Right now, I want to narrow my scope, and I
Mhm.
want to kind of make sure that I want to finance whatever is in the backlog called team projects, right?
Correct.
So if you have a team project and you discuss with the Kevin what you will do, and we define here better what the result will be, the same
Mhm.
like in number one.
Yes.
For the meetup, we're working on a working prototype, right? As soon as
Correct.
we have this working prototype, we're we're good to go. We will move from team projects to good enough projects, right?
Yeah.
It is how we will work.
And we'll be
But
ready to give out
we
like
need
the
to kind of
content.
start moving. Yeah, yeah, we need to start moving this, like working on team projects and moving these team projects good enough products. And we will have them enough. Then we'll start advertising.
That's very good. Like I like the clarity of the vision.
But we need to get to something like tangible,
Correct.
right?
Yeah.
We cannot. We don't have 7 more years to discuss. I'm happy with anything because but at the same time I don't have any right now. I have no incentive to like just to finance anything
Yeah.
because what the difference? I'm happy with what I do. I work on my address. It's
Hmm.
almost ready. I have been working from May of the last year, right? It's
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
1 year and two months right now.
Correct.
But eventually it will be ready someday. But
Hmm.
I enjoy it. I like it. But at the same time, to start moving, I want to concentrate the finances like more
Hmm.
on the
Or
team projects
the
and kind
project.
of working on the backlog. Okay.
All right. I think I think we've covered all we wanted to cover this meeting, and also thank you for sharing this bit, moving team projects to good enough, and thank you.
But we need to have Kevin, we need to
Mhm.
have with this like with the meetups.
Yeah.
Right now we don't have the system even like to define the agenda, like what the topics we will be discussing. We need to discuss them
Hmm.
like offline first
Yeah.
and then to get to the meetings. So something we're missing something. Can you research and kind of ask chatbot which you are using or anything? What
Hmm.
will be a good idea how to we can proceed? Because I will love to vote on the agenda because you have your proposal for agenda.
Hmm.
I mentioned mine,
Yes.
but I mentioned mine when their meeting already started, right? It's
Correct.
not good. Like the agenda must be discussed before, not
Yes.
just posted but discussed.
Discussed. Okay.
So this part I feel is missing,
Hmm.
and we need to work on this. This is kind of
Hmm. So this
um,
is, uh,
I would love to move more work, including Evanson and Rahim,
hmm.
more work on our space because
Yes.
the meetings must be just like a tip of the iceberg, and
Hmm.
the space must be the iceberg. So space is the iceberg, and the meetings should be like just a tip of
That's
the
it.
iceberg.
Well said.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. All right. With that said, I think we are good to adjourn our meeting at this point. We'll have our next meeting on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Hopefully, we would have come up with a system to have the agenda discussed prior and voted for prior to these sessions. And I'll be working on this.
Yeah. Maybe yes. I would say, as I said like last time, I'm
Mhm.
not interested in participation. It's no discussion, no discussion on support kitchen. So technically, you got me in. I like if I wouldn't see any change, I
Mhm.
would probably would just skip today's meeting. But maybe since you are pushable, maybe right now I want to kind of to push more and
Yeah.
say until we have a voted agenda, until we have like a vote on the agenda and
Uh-huh.
have this agenda voted.
Mhm.
So then I will participate.
Okay.
Can I push this way?
Yes, yes, yeah.
Just to find kind of some way how to kind of for the vote, but
Mhm.
it was a pulse, right, or kind of something
Yes, we
like.
have polls on HamHub.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the
Yes,
main
we
challenge was,
should have something. Maybe I also I want to say maybe we can put in the backlog too.
Mhm.
I cannot say that like Home Hub, which we are using for CNMCyber,
Mhm.
is the best tool to run everything, right?
Correct, correct.
But as of now, I don't consider any alternatives.
Mhm.
But when we have a prototype on Home Hub,
Yes,
we may kind of move to
a
something
different
else,
platform.
kind
Correct.
of better suited,
Yes, yes.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you, Rahim and Evans. Yes, I see, Rahim, you have unmuted.
Yes. First of all,
We
thank
are
you so
fine.
much. I I appreciate you all for giving me this chance to share my
Mhm.
thoughts.
Mhm.
I wanted to speak, and unfortunately, my network misbehaved. So I'll just say this. Gary pointed out that I was to document my idea and for future
Yeah,
project. I did document my ideas like 3 weeks ago. I even called Kevin and told him to look at them through them. There is on the space. I even tagged you and Kevin at the same time. So I think Labda there was just a problem a little bit with notification, but I did document it. Unfortunately, I just didn't put it in the right space. I think that is number one. Number
correct.
two was about about the process of project approval and everything. I do believe that it will easen the work of a community board. At the same time, give more work into development groups. It is the best thing. And about the stream being active, I totally and 100% support that. I'm always active to have communication, and I want to commit more time, all the space, so that I be more active and contribute in different conversations. So that is just what I can say for now.
Yeah, I thank you for participation, and I appreciate your kind of your like your thoughts and your participation. Um, Back to like stream and documents, they have different purposes. Stream is kind of to get attention to different things, but stream like I cannot go through stream like for a year back, right, and see what happened, or what you
Yeah,
shared, or what you kind of posted, or whatever. I might be missing something, but
sure.
like we work together on the documents, and the major document is the backlog. So, and when we work together on the documents, these
Yeah,
documents cannot be a stream. They must be wiki, which we call documents, right? That is why
yes,
whatever is not on the backlog, it might be somewhere, but besides you, who will find where it is, right?
sure, sure,
you
sure.
you must be might be able to kind of to find. Also, I
Yes,
posted something. I posted like, Rahim, can you update this? Why wouldn't you kind of comment or reply to me and say, what do you mean, or like some like follow up questions or anything? So
yes,
yes, this is why we have the stream to get kind of
community.
what is going on. But again, the final documents are in
Yes,
the docs kind of section. It is what is our result. Our stream is not the result of our work. Stream is more about the process, and the documents is the result, right? So like
Yes.
stream is the process to help to better the documents, because the documents is what we are about to produce. Documents is main
Yeah.
thing.
Correct.
Does it make sense?
It makes sense. Thank you
So
so much for
anyway,
your unspeakable
yeah,
leadership. I will do the right thing.
yeah, and when you said like I will be more active on stream, I felt like I wish he said I will be more active on backlog, right?
I'll do that too. That, I am a very committed person, and when it comes to that backlog,
Okay.
and even after this meeting, I'm just going to call Kevin and make sure I can work on as many as possible projects that I can work on to just make sure that things are moving the
Pick
way
one.
they're supposed
Why as many as possible? Pick one by one.
to.
Pick
Okay.
like I can give you an idea. Like steal
Yes.
from the Kevin. Ask Kevin. Kevin, can I run these meetings?
Yeah.
Can
Thank
I
you.
run these meetings?
Sure, sure, sure.
Sure.
And you will move to
Yeah.
something else, right?
Correct.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Because it is kind of it is I will give this. I don't know whether you kind of you dance. I have my limited. My daughter, she's like a great dancer, I believe. At least she believes in that.
Yeah.
But I have experience with dancing tango. Do you know tango? Tango, tango. Like,
Okay.
and the tango is the dance for like two people, right?
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
And the idea is that you cannot learn how to use to dance tango with the one partner because you will create your own tango with this partner. You need to switch
Okay.
partners, like swing partners, in order
Okay.
to be a good tango dancer, right? So
Correct.
Yeah.
here is also the kind of the same idea. We possibly need to just kind of to move forward. We need to try different ways.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you so
Thank you
much for
all
your
very
time.
much. See you in our next meeting.